Now, this one is going to be very interesting because it is super helpful in the long run. Now, number one, you need to keep an eye on the competition. Again, guys, this is going to be very short and sweet session. This is going to be short and sweet module. I've made sure that in the very less and less time, you get the most out of it. So that is my goal and passion all about, okay? Now, guys, understand, ChatGPT can be used to research your competitor by asking them questions about their product, service, marketing campaigns, and even looking at the customer reviews. ChatGPT can be used to analyze the social media conversations and news articles to get a better understanding of what your competitors are doing and what their customers are saying. Basically, how you can do that is copy the entire article or reviews, put it in the ChatGPT, and just ask ChatGPT either to summarize it or provide the sentiment and things like that. This information can then be used to identify new opportunities for your businesses and develop marketing campaigns that are more likely to be successful. Let's switch to ChatGPT and see what can be done. Okay. Create a marketing campaign for a handmade. I mean, we already had the trained bot, but I'm doing it afresh on purpose. Handmade soap, handmade organic soap. Make sure to target the audience aged between 21 to 45 and give me some more pointers. What can we go for? My audience loves to shop online. My audience loves to shop online. Anything else I should be adding? My product comes in all fruit flavors and is super helpful. I guess let's try this. Campaign name: fruitful purity, elevate your skin and handmade organic bliss. Tagline: nourish your skin with nature's bounty. I guess I'm gonna zoom it in a bit for you guys. Introduction: campaign strategy like online oasis of wellness. Wow. Age defying elegance, beautiful. Results you can feel, gift of wellness. CTAs, call to action, campaign duration gonna be for 6 weeks. Online platforms, Instagram, Facebook, engaging videos, email newsletters, and websites. Share some ad copies to be used on Google, FB, and Insta. Let's see if it serves me with good ad copies. Come on, I'm waiting, buddy. So this is going to be now pretty quick because now we know about AIPRM. So I don't need to type so long. I can just go to AIPRM and type it out. I'm just training the bot here. And yes, it has given me detail. Like, what if include CTA, include emojis, include or tone Will Smith. Sorry, I hope it isn't slaps. Okay, now it's changed. Okay. Oh, learn more. They missed it. See, this is where the glitch up happens, right? Okay, cool. So this is where you need to train your bot more. This is why you need to train your bot. Okay. Personalized communication. Let's jump to the next point. Create personalized marketing messages that appeal to your target audience by asking the tool to generate different versions of your messaging that are tailored to different segments of your audience. So now what you can do is create one chat, train the bot according to that set of audience. Let's say you have 8 different sets of audience, male, female, different age range, different city or country, different products, different service. Now define each set of audience and train the chatbot or ChatGPT in each chat. Now, depending upon the chat, you ask the ChatGPT to create personalized marketing messages for XYZ platforms, email, SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, wherever you want, and ChatGPT is going to serve you with that platter. All right. ChatGPT can also be used to analyze your customer data. So basically, this is a part of ChatGPT 4, which we are not doing it right now. But yes, it has the power to do it, which is valid information to be shared. This information can then be used to create marketing messages that are more likely to be relevant and engaging to your target audience. I mean,